Starting with a clean workstation, make sure everything from the lashes to your tools are organized, neat, and sanitized to avoid cross-contamination. Make sure your hands are washed and your client should absolutely have no makeup on. The first step is to consult with your client the length and look they're going for. This is very important to avoid any room for mistakes. Duo's individual lash adhesive and Ardell's Lash Tight adhesive is very strong. It dries quickly and cannot be corrected easily. This application takes practice and is for experienced professionals only. Have your client lean back or tilt their head back depending on the chair you're using and close their eyes. Now it's time to apply the individual lashes using the individual adhesive. Put a small amount of adhesive on dampened dish. Using a slanted tweezer, gently pull an individual off the tray from the flared end side and dip the tab side into the adhesive. Be sure to create a little bead or ball of adhesive at the tip. This is the right amount you need. Start by placing one lash in the center of each eye. This ensures symmetry. Once you have done that, apply 3 lashes on the outer corner of one eye and repeat on the other eye. Keep repeating the process on each eye until it's complete. Allow the individual lash to dry completely and check to see if the lash is secure before moving on to the next one. Remember, individual lashes adhere to the hair and not the skin. Once you have done both eyes, have your client open her eyes and check to see if lashes on both eyes are even. If they are not, you can go back and fill in. Your client is now good to go with lashes that will last up to 10 days. Don't forget to send them home with aftercare instructions.